back to Iron Slug's Garage, and on this episode today, through a period of days, the Bug gets its motor put in, and then today get it started up. So it's a success on that one. Alright, well, been tinkering with the bug a little bit, and got a battery, grounds, blah 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 blah. Just kind of did the final things on it that weren't finished, and let's just see if it starts now. So I've been doing a little bit of running around with this thing, getting any little bit of time that I can to work on it a little bit. I just put the firing order right. No footage of that. I just wanted to, do a little reading, come out and mess with it. So, gonna spray a little fluid in there, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing to fire up, and then we can continue to try to get this turd on the road. So, it's a leaker, but let's see what we got going on. That's promising. I need to do something about that. That's going to cause a fire. Let's see. I gotta find some bolts, get these headers down. Alright, try it again. Sometimes you gotta do some shady stuff just to hold your exhaust on. Bungee cables are faster than finding some nuts on the ground. But, see if we can get this thing fired up. It sounds promising though. Not kidding. Hook my throttle pedal up. There is some piece that I'm missing. You know what? I call that a successful start, and now I can start getting some other things to finish putting it together, because my exhaust is bungee cord to be pulled tight to the engine. Sketchy. My throttle, I zip tied it. I zip tied the cable to the throttle on the carb just so I could push the pedal from inside and just get it to pull a little bit, and that's when it just fired off for a second, which is a success to me. So yeah, so I think we're gonna, I got a couple dash lines, but yeah, that's good. I think we're gonna continue on this thing and continue on some other stuff, but yeah, it's decent. Not bad. Not bad. Hey, I'm no expert. I need a wiring diagram, but yeah, this is all old wiring. This is the new stuff, so there'll be more coming out on that. But yeah, I mean, hey, that's good. That's good to me. We got the bug to fire up. Follow along. Might be some more cool stuff coming.